Ladies and gentlemen, to those cooking fans out there, uh, I got this deep fryer off of Haben catalog back in 2011, and I quit using this deep fryer in 2012 and just kind of stored it away for, 6 years now. And I was really surprised because I thought like it would be horrendously like with horrendous stench, smell, and whatever, and a lot of mold and just a horrible foul smell coming from the deep fryer I bought that come with 3 baskets. This basket here that you see right now is used for cooking everything you can think of that's friable. It's a pretty good, decent size. It can fry up to like 3 big plates of fries, or possibly like 30 to 40 chicken strips or fish strips, and probably about 50 to 80 nuggets, real easily. Um, yeah, this it's about 2.5 inches deep by uh, 12 inches wide, so it's a pretty good diameter. It's about the same distance, or about the same size, I guess, and far as dimension, if you added all the dimensions up, as a commercial deep fryer out of like a McDonald's or a Burger King or someplace like this, or someplace like that. And the thing about the ratings on it, or not the rating, but the goes up to 375 degrees. That's the temperature rating. That's a maximum temperature, and it's got a timer on it. You can time it at like 10 minutes, 60 minutes. I got it shut down to 0, and the timer does work very efficiently. I place a lot of things like chicken strips and stuff like that on 5 to 6 minutes, because a lot of times as soon as I do initial startup, I'll want to try to start frying stuff after I just already plugged it in, and it takes about 10 minutes for the freaking thing to heat up to efficient level. So what happens is I'll just drop them in there and be like, oh, and then I'll come back and I'll check on them and I'll be like, oh, they need to cook a little bit longer. So I'll do another reset of like 5 minutes. So I'll reset it again for like another 5-6 minutes, and basically 12 minutes goes by, and the chicken strips are cooked. They're kind of like soft, but they're cooked. I mean, they're rated at like 180 degrees whenever I temp them. And so that's not bad. Chicken strips running at 180, 185 degrees. You want your chicken, I don't know, it's about right around. Anything that I cook, is usually going to be piping hot. So up there right around 185 to 195 degrees. Which, they say that's not too bad of a temperature rating. I mean, I could get it a little bit hotter if I cooked it longer, but then I'd have like some chicken that's kind of stiff and hard and like a brick trying to chew into it. Anyway, this is the deep fryer. I got to just clean it up here real good and start frying here soon. I got a couple other baskets that go along with it, if I can pull them out real quick. And these are the clean baskets, or this is the clean one. Clean basket, as you can see. Yeah. This one here is, as you can see, is like 2 inches, 2.5 inches deep by approximately 4 to 6 inches wide. So, yeah, this can fry about like 24 nuggets, 24 to 30 nuggets, I guess, at the most. They were placed in there neatly. But yeah, the thing comes up like this, just like you would with any other commercial type fryer. Other than that, and you just drain it like that, like you would on a commercial fryer, and then just drop her back down for another batch of nuggets, fries, hot dogs, you name it. Last time I cooked it, I cooked chicken, so I'm gonna have to clean it really good with some heavy duty degreaser to start off with, and probably do some sanitizing with it, some sanitizer. What I did was, instead of just doing cleaning them again, I'm going to clean it all at once. So I mixed the sanitizer and the degreaser together, and some heavy duty dish detergent along with it. So I know one thing for sure is this is going to be clean and sanitized all at the same time, so I don't have to worry about fiddle faddling with trying to do a rinse on it, like far as a rinse with sanitizer. I'm just going to clean, sanitize, and then wash all the goop off of it and just call it done. Because by the time I get done with it, it's going to be clean. It's going to be ready to go, ready to rock and roll. So I only want to do things one time and it's over with. So let's let the party begin and start frying some fries, frying some chicken, frying some fish strips or something. I don't know. Eat hot dogs, chicken, turkey, whatever.